LinkedIn walkthrough. Okay, so you're now realizing that LinkedIn is an amazingly designed social media platform that is perfect for professionals, business owners, and decision makers across any industry. And you're convinced about the benefits of getting yourself a LinkedIn profile. And as with any other social networking site that you join, you'll have to go beyond your profile if you really want to learn anything that you can use it for. In this video, we are going to show you everything that you will find on LinkedIn while signed into your account. The first thing that you will be greeted with when you log into your LinkedIn account is your LinkedIn feed, which also serves as the home section of your LinkedIn account, as clicking on the home button on the dashboard menu from any other section will take you here. This section, along with your profile, are the ones that resemble other social media sites, as you will be able to post content and updates in the Share an Article, Photo, or Update field. There, you will see the Write an Article and the Image buttons. The former will allow you to create written content, and the latter will allow you to upload an image. You can use the Post button to upload your content. On your left, you will find a box that links to your profile, and on the right will be featured ads. Now, when you scroll down a bit, you'll find what is actually served on the feed. So let's take a quick look at it. First, you will find the People You May Know box, which will show you LinkedIn profiles that you can add based on your own profile. Scroll down further, and you will find the Suggested For You box, which is where you will find content posted by other professionals on the platform and by companies. Below the advertising box, you will find a quick access menu with links to other LinkedIn sections, including the Business Services app, which you can access from your account dashboard menu as well. Let's now check this dashboard menu, which is located on top. From left to right, you will find a quick link button to LinkedIn's homepage and a search bar. And we will go into detail on how to use this bar alongside the LinkedIn feed for research in a later video. Next up, you have the Home tab, which will take you to the Home section when you click on it. The Network tab will show you a section where you can manage your professional network. On the left side, you will see a box from where you can see your current connections, and from which you can use the Find Connections link to locate other professional profiles on the platform. You can see your pending invitations and act upon them by accepting or rejecting them. And you can use your email address to locate LinkedIn profiles attached to email addresses from your contact list. Lastly, you will have a list of people you may know with profile suggestions. Let's now look at the Job section. Here, you will be able to manage your job postings and applications. There you will be able to manage your saved jobs, your applied jobs, and to post a job if you want to hire talent for your company. In the Jobs that you might be interested in box, you'll find job posts as job suggestions, based on the information on your profile. Now you can also search for jobs in this section by using the two search bars on top. The first one will allow you to search jobs by title, keyword, or company, and the second will allow you to use city, state, postal code, or country as your keywords to find job postings. You can use both search bars to find job postings using keywords as filters and then clicking on the search button. Let's now go over the Messaging tab. In this section, you will be able to manage your correspondence with other members and companies. At first glance, you will be able to access your received messages, which will be featured on the left, just like if it were an email inbox. Over this message list, you will have a search bar to locate specific messages, and you can use the Compose a New Message button to create correspondence. In the Notifications tab, you will be able to access and manage your notifications. Let's now look at the Me tab. The Me tab works as a drop-down menu that will allow you to access your profile, your account settings, and to manage your activity. The first option available is the View My Profile link, which will take you to your LinkedIn profile. Now it will not only allow you to view your profile, but to also edit it from top to bottom. Here you will find the option to Add New Profile Sections, to include sections with professional information such as background information, including work experience, education, volunteer experience, your skills, and your accomplishments. You can use the Edit Public Profile feature to customize how people that are not signed up on LinkedIn view your profile. And you can use the Add Profile in Another Language feature to create your profile in a different language, to make it easier for professionals and businesses from other locations to check your information. Then you will have the options to update your background photo, to edit your intro information including profile picture, names, headline, and current job position. You can also edit your contact and personal info to add education and work experience levels. Back on the Me menu, you'll have the Account and the Manage submenus. Let's look at the first option from the Account submenu by clicking on the Settings and Privacy tab. There you will be able to edit your account settings, including your basic user information such as email address, password and language, your partners and third-party settings, your subscription settings, and other advanced account settings. From there, you will also be able to edit your privacy settings and your communication settings. Now in the Help Center tab from this submenu, you will be able to access the entire support library. The Language tab can be used to easily change your language. Let's now look at the Manage submenu, starting on the Posts and Activity tab. From this section, you will be able to check and manage your activity on the platform, which includes your shared links, your posts, and your articles. The Job Postings tab will allow you to manage your job postings from a single section, as long as you are signed up to use a LinkedIn Recruiter solution. The Sign Out tab will allow you to sign out of LinkedIn with a simple click. Let's close this walkthrough by checking out the last tab on your dashboard, the Work tab. In this tab, you will find a menu with business-oriented solutions. These solutions are offered in the form of different LinkedIn products, including learning products, job postings, advertising products, LinkedIn groups, and the SlideShare platform, among others. You will also be able to access LinkedIn Business Services from this tab, including Talent Solutions, Sales Solutions, and Learning Solutions. Lastly, you will be able to use the Create a Company Page tab to go to the Company Page Setup section to create your own business profile the easy way. We are going to delve deeper into each one of these features in our following videos, so make sure to stay tuned and don't miss a thing.